Last time on Worth It or Skip It, we explored Hanoi's most famous dishes. And this time, it's not about food anymore. It's about experiences. From hidden gems to offbeat adventures, we'll test them all to see if they're really worth it or not. Let's find out. First off, we're trying something a little bit different today. We'll make our own ring at M.Land Workshop. It's all over TikTok right now, and tourists seem to love it. So what makes people choose this over just buying new jewelry? Let's see how it turns out. This workshop is on an old street near Kim Lake. The space is not big, but it feels bright and open, and they can host around 8 guests at once. Before starting, we'll pick a design from the template, or maybe you can share your own idea with the staff, and then measure our finger size. We'll just keep it simple today and went with a basic design. The process began with heating and flattening the silver bar, and then shaping it into a ring.
It's not round, like...
We kinda failed that part, but don't worry if you messed up because the staff will step in and fix it for you. And then we used the polisher to turn this silver piece into a real jewelry, and I'm sure this is the most satisfying part for everyone. The last step is to add your watermark onto the ring. You can use your handwriting or any kind of text you want, and then choose some shade to make the ring less plain, and then finish off with laser engraving. This whole thing takes about 2 hours and costs around $26. So if you got a free day in Hanoi and you don't know what to do, this is a fun and creative way to spend it.
So it's the outcome ring, and yeah, I chose I think of the basic ones for me because I'm not like the type of person who really good at crafting, but yeah, it turned out really great. And I chose like laser engraving, and yeah, there's like my birthday inside, and the quality is like pretty nice. The details is sharp. They guided me through all the process and make sure that the rings is like as perfect as it could. So I will like try this on, and okay, it's perfectly fit me.
Just like crafting a ring, tailoring a suit is also about creating something truly personal.
And that is why we have come to Cazo Tailor. It's located at the 23 Legal Street, and it is a hidden gems where the artisanal tailorings meet timeless style.
Alright, let's go. Cazo Tailor is a well-known shop for custom suit. The shop design is elegant with a subtle vintage vibe, but still warm and welcoming. And now we're at the first step, choosing the fabric. The staff will listen to our desire and help us select the finest fabric that matches us the most.
We have the fabric from the Australia and in the Europe and the Italy and the UK. Yeah, I have so many the company the fabric in the world.
Yeah, I think I will go with this color.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that it will match this with this.
Okay, thank you.
Once the fabric is selected, it's time for measurements. It's the foundation of a perfect fit, so every detail matters here. What I love about Cazo is how they balance quality and value. As you can see, the staff takes their time with every measurement, making sure everything fits right away. That attention to detail really shows in the high-quality suits with affordable price from just $250, and sometimes ready in only 24 hours.
For the suit 24 hours, my family, we have the 18 people make for the suit, and we have the 3 people make for the shirt, and 4 people make for the pant, and have so many people make for the jacket like this. We can do for the overcoat too, yeah.
For a well-made suit with affordable price like this, we were really impressed with the experience. So if you're heading to Hanoi, make sure to add Cazo Tailor to your wish list. Last time we tried some famous Vietnamese dishes, so this time we thought, why not making them ourselves? So come along with us and see what a cooking class in Hanoi is really like. The class started with a visit to a traditional market to pick up some ingredients. It was super fun, especially for tourists, since it's a great way to experience the local culture.
When you want to make fish, we don't do it this way or this way. No, we first make it with this way. So you look like the chicken right now, make it with braying. So it means that we were boiling the chicken. So we put them on the altar to show respect for the sun god because chicken is there for sun god. So I would tell my wish for the chicken and chicken would tell for the sun god.
And then we headed to a peaceful open kitchen with a small garden. It feels very cozy and quiet. So today we're making 3 dishes: banana blossom salad, spring rolls, and bún chả. The process is not that hard to follow because the instructor will walk you through everything step by step. So even if you've never cooked before, there's nothing to worry about. For us, the real highlight was the instructor. She created a warm and comfortable atmosphere that made complete strangers feel like friends. And her stories about Vietnamese culture made the class even better.
At the end of January, we have the Lunar New Year based on lunar calendar. So in Vietnamese, we say Tết. Yeah, Tết. So we have a kind of like biggest holiday in Vietnam, and everybody we have 9 days off. For everybody, no working, no studying, so we come back home. So we would find something for let everybody involved, cook together, eating spring roll. So when you cook together, you share the story, you also share what happened in your last year, also what you want to do in the next year, and so also get everybody closer, the family bonding. That's the meaning why we make spring roll. Yeah, so when I mention about spring roll, it's mean family. So now we are family. Okay. You are my brother and sister. You are my mom and then father. Yes, yes. You are my priest.
This class, including the market tour, lasts for about 4 hours and costs around $30 per person. And yes, it takes a bit of time, but you get to meet new people, dive into Vietnamese culture and culinary practices, and also share your freshly cooked meal after class. So we think you should definitely give this a try. To begin with, I bet you have seen these viral bear cafes in Japan. And if you don't know, we do have one inside the Old Quarter. And this is called the Cold Bear Coffee. Why is it called Cold Bear and what makes it so special? Let's go find out. My first impression is that it's not really aesthetic like they promote it on social media. For the name, they claim that they donate 5% of the monthly revenue to Polar Bear International. That's why it was named Cold Bear Cafe. The ordering process is simple. You speak to a mic to order, and the staff replies through a speaker. And you just wait until a polar bear paw hands you a drink through a little hole on the wall. It's pretty fun and weird, but in a good way. We just got our drink here. This is coconut matcha, and Aaron get matcha latte. I'm really impressed with the packaging. Like, it's a glass cup with cap like this.
They give us this glass and they say that if the next time we get here, we bring this glass so they can get some discount or anything.
15% discount. Oh, it has like a strong scent of matcha.
It's very signature scent. Yes. So I think that they use like
Quality
quality.
matcha. Okay, let's try it. Mine does have like the matcha scent, but like it's not really strong. It has more sweetness to it because of the coconut.
Yeah, I think that my matcha latte is like okay. It's like average because the matcha is really scentful. But I think that they add a little more like milk. So when you mix it up and the milk flavor kind of like overtake the matcha flavor.
Mine is like 65 and Aaron's matcha latte is 60K VND.
Compared to the experience and the flavor, I think that it's acceptable. And because it is like it's located inside the old bottle, so that price I think that are quite affordable if you want to experience something new, especially like anonymous cafe, and there will be like a bare hands like give you these, and you will have like a very like beautiful glass cup to bring back to your homes and use it. Like I think that the cup is really cute.
Yeah.
But don't like expect too high into the drink because it's just like average. So
60K with 2 keychain and a glass cup like this to bring home. I think it's okay. Yeah, it's okay if you want to try it. So maybe I think it's worth it. Alright, that's it for today. I hope this video gave you some fresh ideas for things to try in Hanoi. We've got plenty more hidden gems coming your way, so make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss them. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.